Hi guys, my name's Carmen Amelia, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do this really cool half up, half down look. I spend my time doing a lot of half up, half down looks, especially when I'm on set. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do this half. So I'm just literally going to section the hair up by the ear. This is quite similar to what I do when I'm doing my ponytails, similar kind of thing. But this time, obviously it's going to be half up, half down. So just do the section ear to ear. You want to make sure that it's even on both sides, so if you're sectioning in front of the ear here, you want to make sure that on the other side you're also sectioning in front of the ear. So once you've done your section, just roughly clip that out of the way, and then you want to really tie this out of the way so that it doesn't get mixed up with the top bit here. So I'm just going to use a hairband and I'm just going to securely tie that out of the way. So I'm going to use my detangling brush just to get this really smooth. And then I'm just literally going to get my hairband and I'm going to just tie this as neatly as possible, and just obviously make sure that it's centered, not too high, not too low. You want to just check in the mirror and just make sure you've got it in the right place for your client or your model or for yourself. I always tell my client at this point to look up, because I find that they tend to start looking down for some reason, or they're on their phone. So I always tell them, you know, can you look up please? And that way I can actually really see where this ponytail is going to be, and just make sure it's centered. So yeah, that's nice and central. Okay. So once you've done that, I'm just going to start curling all of the hair, and then I'm going to come back to this top bit after. Right, so I'm just going to start curling the back of the hair first. I'm going to curl all of the hair away from the face, just so that when it's all done, it's all kind of coming away from the face instead of towards the face. So once you've finished curling the back, I'm going to brush all of this out afterwards. I've just done it really quickly just to give you an idea of how I usually curl the hair, and then I'm going to brush it all out afterwards. So, moving up to the top section. You can either use a section of hair to cover the hairband, which is what I often do. So you just literally just wrap it around like this, and then you obviously cover the top part of the hair like that. Now today I'm actually going to be using a hairband for the top, so I'm just going to go straight in and start curling, and then once I finish curling I'm going to put my hairband in. My small barrel tong by GHD. Literally just gonna softly brush it all out. Don't want it to be too curly. Okay. And then you want to start brushing out the top section also. So once you've brushed it out, I'm going to use my hairband, my scrunchie, for the top section. I think I'm going to actually use 2 today because I want it to be quite big. So now I'm going to go in with my Hair Shark backcombing brush. If you haven't got one, it makes it really easy to backcomb and tease hair. Really non-damaging. It's got the teasing bit on this side and then it's got the bit which you use to comb out the hair on the other. So I'm actually going to start teasing the hair now just to make it really big. So I'm just softly brushing it out using my bristle brush, just redefining the curls that I've backcombed out, just because you want some definition there. I'm going to do a bit of teasing at the bottom as well. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching and please feel free to like and comment below. Let me know if you try it out in the comments. Bye.